Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video of the series how to improve your bartending experience with a touch of flair. Video number 3. After we welcoming our guest with a touch of flair with a napkin and giving a hand, we are personally, then we doing something with a glass and giving him a nice glass of water. All right. Then probably we can give him a menu. He's choosing something. Now we are already served the guest with something which can give him a little bit more watery blood, so he can drink more, of course. And now is a part where you communicate with him, where you suggesting him something or he wants something straight away. I'm gonna be talking about the shaking cocktail. Okay, so the shaking cocktail, for example, we are gonna be using these two tins, small one and a big one. I'm going to show you the way when someone's ordering, let's say, daiquiri, classic daiquiri. Okay, straight up, shaken, straight. Very good. Taking this or putting this one, this. Okay, you making one cocktail, I don't see point of this. So normally what I learned when I started, one daiquiri, no problem sir, right here. And now I'm going to start pouring all the ingredients in here with a touch of flair and not losing the contact with the customer and giving him a little bit of experience. You can do many things you want. You can grab the tin, you can do the double spin from one hand to the other. You can do many things with work of these two tins, how to ice them and how to prepare them. You can see many tutorials around the world. What I'm going to show you one which we will continue through the process of this bartending experience with the flair, showing how we starting, and then I'll show you how we finishing. Why I'm doing this? Because I love to do this when I'm working in a cocktail bar which have really small station and you have opportunity to show your skills most of the time just only with these tools on your bar top. Basic Thumbroll, taking small tin. With a small tin we take in a big tin and then we placing it on a bar top and it looks just like this. There you go. So one more time, customer, classic daiquiri, please. No problem sir, right away. And you just took the shakers, you do one Thumbroll, you're catching it, you put it in a way like he never seen, maybe he saw on social medias this way, but he never seen this. Find your own way, just the little touch, and it makes really cool effect for him. And you already been flairing with a napkin, with a glass, with a pour of the water without the pour spout, and with the tins before I'm pouring ingredients, before I'm touching it, the bottles for my cocktail, and I'm already giving him really cool experience. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments or any suggestions what I can make it better, on what I have to improve, or what I can improve, or what you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. And if you like it, please thumbs up, please click on that and subscribe. This will really help me to improve my channel and we can do it better and more funny content. So till next time, be awesome and keep practicing.